Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Kia Carnival can take you to some really cool places like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. To start off our install, we need to remove our underbody panel located right here on the driver's side of our vehicle. Now it's held in by 6 push pins. There's 5 here underneath, and then there's 1 located back here up towards the top. And we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove all of those push pins. And then we'll be able to just remove our panel, and we'll set this aside to be reinstalled later. Next, on our passenger side, we're going to lower our exhaust. We're going to remove this rubber hanger right here on the side. Now it helps to spray it with some soapy water to get it off. And if you need some extra help, we're going to be using some exhaust removal pliers. So now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy. Now with our hitch lined up, we're ready to bring all of our hardware into place. For each side, our kit comes with 3 bolts and conical tooth washers. We want to make sure that the teeth on those washers are facing towards the hitch. And we'll repeat on the other side. With all of our hardware into place, we're ready to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket for all of our bolts, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And on the passenger side, it helps to use a swivel socket since it's hard to get over our crossbar for our hitch. Now we're going to reinstall our exhaust. We're just going to spray with some soapy water to help ease the reinstallation. Now we're going to reinstall our underbody panel on the driver's side. Now we needed to modify it following our instructions for it to be able to fit around our hitch. So just make sure you follow your guide on the instructions to cut out this area. Then we'll reinstall our underbody panel with all of our pre-existing push pins. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3.5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 11.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.